The content is reviewed by a professional electrical engineer working in a power utility company. An Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, or ELCB, is a vital safety device that protects against electrical shocks and equipment damage from faults. It works by constantly monitoring the current balance between the live and neutral wires in your electrical circuit. In a normal circuit, the current flowing through these wires is equal, but if a leakage occurs to the ground due to damaged insulation or accidental contact, this balance is disrupted. The ELCB detects this imbalance when it exceeds a set threshold, typically around 30 milliamps for current-operated models. Upon detection, the ELCB trips instantly, cutting off the power to prevent severe electric shocks or fires. There are two main types of ELCBs: the older voltage-operated ones and the modern current-operated versions, also known as residual current devices or RCCBs. Voltage-operated ELCBs sense voltage on equipment enclosures relative to ground and trip if it exceeds about 50 volts, but they are largely replaced by more sensitive current-operated types. Current-operated ELCBs monitor the difference between live and neutral currents and are widely used in homes, offices, and factories for their reliability. Key components include the current transformer that measures wire currents, a sensing circuit to detect imbalances, a trip coil that energizes on fault, and a switching mechanism to disconnect power. These devices offer several advantages, such as effectively isolating the entire circuit during leaks, high sensitivity to small anomalies, and no need for an earth connection. They provide consistent protection against shocks, making them essential for safety in everyday environments. ELCBs are installed in residential buildings, commercial spaces, industrial sites, moisture areas like bathrooms and kitchens, outdoor circuits, and vulnerable equipment zones. Compared to MCBs, which handle overcurrents and shorts, ELCBs focus on earth leakage for shock prevention. RCCBs are similar modern equivalents, while RCBOs combine leakage and overload protection in one unit. The importance of ELCBs cannot be overstated. They safeguard lives and property from electrical hazards in all settings. To ensure they work, test your ELCB every 6 months using the built-in test button, which simulates a leak and should cause an immediate trip. If it doesn't trip, or for more accurate checks, use a leakage tester to verify response time. Replace the ELCB if it fails tests, trips randomly, won't reset, or shows physical damage, and always consult a licensed electrician for such tasks. By installing and maintaining ELCBs, you enhance electrical safety in your home and protect your loved ones from electrocution risks. For more tips on electrical safety and home protection, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe out there.